Hello guys, and welcome back to this video. So in today's video tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step on how to copy traders. Okay, how to carry out spot copy trading on the Bitget exchange. So I want to show you how to copy traders on the Bitget exchange. This is spot. Okay, Bitget offers futures copy trading, and then they offer spot copy trading. All right, so the risk on spot copy trading is lesser compared to that of futures, and that is why I want to show you in this video how to copy traders on the Bitget spot copy trading platform. So the first thing you need is a Bitget account. The link to sign up for a Bitget account will be in the video description. Okay, check out the video description and sign up for an account on Bitget. After that, do your KYC. All right, after that, make a deposit into your Bitget account. You can equally use the Bitget marketplace, P2P marketplace, to make your deposit. All right, now after you successfully make a deposit of whatever amount you want to use for your copy trade, you log into the app. Okay, once you log into the app, you want to click on this option that says copy. Okay, if you don't see it here, click on the more option and look for the copy option. All right, so click on copy and that will bring us here. Once you are here, guys, okay, we have features and then we have spot. So we are going to go with the spot. I'm currently using the bot option, but I would make a video for that in a separate video. Okay, so let's go to the spot option. Now once we are here on the spot option, we can go ahead and sort out, okay, the traders here according to either their ranking, their ROI, their total PNL and all of that. But let me go with the ROI, and you can see this particular trader here for the past 30 days. Okay, this trader has made over this amount of percentage. All right, and once you see the copy option, it means that you can copy this trader. Okay, these other ones that are showing full, you cannot copy these traders. Right, all these other ones showing full, you can't copy them. And if you want to see more details about that trader, like this one here, I can just go ahead and click on it and then it opens up. So right here you will see the pair. Okay, this trader trades Ethereum most of the time. All right, so you can see all the details, all the trades. Okay, you can go to the start option. Right, you can see the statistics, you can see orders, copiers, insights and all of that. So let's start with the start option. You can see all of the statistics here. These are all the tokens that this person can trade, but from the look of things, this person trades mostly Ethereum. The next thing is to click on orders. If I come to orders, okay, you can see that this trader have a whole lot of Ethereum orders ongoing. This one is off 42%, 42%. And you can see all the orders that this trader have. Let's go back there again. Okay, on Ethereum. So all the trades that the trader currently has there is all on Ethereum. If I go to copiers, okay, you can see the profit that these persons have made copying this particular trader too. So you can see all these details there. Once you're satisfied, the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on copy option right here. Okay, so once you click on the copy option, it brings you to this page. Okay, and to start with, you can deselect any other token you don't want to copy right here, right? But I'll just leave everything as default. Okay, I'll leave everything as default. So you see right here where it says select all. That one is checked. So if you want to deselect all, you just click on it and everything is deselected. But I'll just select all. Okay, I don't need to choose anyone. Then you want to make sure that you're on the fixed option. All right, I don't use the multiplier except you have bigger capital. If you have maybe 100,000, 200, $1 million and you want to copy a trader with that, then you can go ahead and use the multiplier. So we use the fixed option and we can start from as low as $10 to 3K. Okay, so the next thing right here is to go ahead and put the amount I want to start with. Let me just say let's start with 50. Okay, so I can just put 50 USD there, and then I'll scroll down. You equally have the option to customize your TP, your stop loss, all of these things, right? But I don't do that. And then the auto copy, I will allow that to be on. All right, I will allow that to be on. So whenever the trader trades a new trade, that will automatically be reflecting on my account. Okay, so once I do that, I'll go ahead and click on the follow option, and this dialog box pops up. Just go ahead and click on got it. Okay, and voila, guys. Okay, I started copying this trader already, and his profit sharing is 10%. Okay, his profit sharing is 10%. and that is it. Okay, so you can see this is my own account, right? This is my own copy trading, but mine I don't trade every day. I do, you know, once in a while. Okay, so we started copying this trader already. Let's see what this trader can give us. I'll share the results with you, but let me just give the trader a month or two to 3 weeks, and then I'll share results with you. Okay, so that's how you copy traders on, you know, the Bitget exchange, and you can start making money whenever these traders to make money. Remember, it is called spot copy trading, not futures. All right, you can equally try out futures if you want to, but subsequent videos I will show you all of this as we proceed. Now, if you have gained value from the video, make sure that you smash that like button. If you are new to the channel, subscribe. And once again, if you don't have an account with Bitget, you want, you know, pro traders to do this thing all on autopilot for you, make sure that you use the link in the video description to sign up for an account. That is it for this video, guys. If there is anything that I didn't mention here, you can always let me know. If there is anything you want me to make a video on, let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. For now, bye bye.